Introduction to SAS. Statistical Analysis System, SAS, is a powerful software suite for data analysis and business intelligence. It supports advanced statistics, predictive modeling, machine learning, and visualization. Explore SAS's role in various industries and why learning it benefits data professionals. Let us first explore what is SAS and where is it used. Overview of SAS. It is a software suite for data analysis and business intelligence. It supports advanced statistics and machine learning. It is a powerful reporting tool and supports visualization tools. Industries using SAS: healthcare, clinical trials, epidemiology, finance, risk management, fraud detection, retail, customer analytics and forecasting, government and academia involvement. Let's explore why we need to use SAS. SAS is very user-friendly. It is enterprise-ready, means it is trusted by governments and global companies. SAS is highly secure. It is stable and scalable. Ever wondered how analysts handle tons of data with just a few clicks in code? Welcome to SAS, one of the most powerful tools in data analytics. When you open SAS, you're greeted with this interface. Let's break it down into the main sections you'll use every day. At the top, you'll find the menu bar and toolbar. These give you access to file options, editing tools, and actions like saving or running programs. This is Program Editor. This is where the magic happens. You write and edit your SAS programs here. Type your code, then click Run to execute. Once you run a program, the log window shows what happened, including errors, warnings, or success notes. Results like tables or summaries appear in the output window. You can review and copy from here. On the left side, the Explorer and Libraries let you manage data sets. SAS libraries are folders where your data lives. Now let's have a look at basic SAS workflow. From data to insights. Step 1, import data. Bring data into SAS from various sources. Step 2, clean and transform. Use data steps to prepare data for analysis. Step 3, analyze. Run proc steps for statistical tests and models. Step 4, report and share. Generate reports or dashboards to communicate results. Feeling overwhelmed by all the information? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll break down each step in detail in the upcoming videos. Join us on this journey from being a beginner to pro in SAS. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest update and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest video. Like, share, and subscribe.